This is a 50 kWh high-voltage cabinet battery system. It consists of 10 battery packs and one high-voltage control box. First, install the 10 battery packs into the cabinet one by one. Install the high-voltage control box on the top of the cabinet. Then all the batteries are connected in series. The negative terminal of the previous battery string is connected to the positive terminal of the next battery string. Connect all battery packs in series. Use signal lines to connect all slave controllers. Connect the input of the previous slave to the output of the next slave. Connect them one by one. Connect the total positive of the battery system to the high-voltage control box positive. Connect the total negative of the battery system to the high-voltage control box negative. Check and make sure all lines are properly connected. First, turn on the main switch of the master control box. Press and hold the 3-second display switch. When the screen lights up, press the switch again. The screen has the option to switch English language. Thank you for watching.